Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Today we will be preparing Undiye Ukkari, that is a Konkani dish, and myself Padma. Undiye Ukkari is usually prepared at homes when there is so much of leftover undi. I have used Terapanna undi for preparing the Ukkari. Ingredients: you need 3 or 4 Terapanna undi. For seasoning, you need 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 1 teaspoon mustard, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 2 to 3 sprigs of curry leaves. This is the 3 Terapanna undi that I have used for preparing the ukkari. Crumble the Terapanna undi and keep aside. Next, you have to do the seasoning. For that, you require mustard, curry leaves, and urad. Heat oil in a kadai and add mustard. When they splutter, add urad dal and saute it for a minute till it becomes rose colored. Now add the curry leaves and saute till they become crisp. Next, add the crumbled undi and mix well so that it gets coated well with oil and seasoning. Roast it for 5 to 10 minutes on a low flame. Your Terapanna Undiye Ukkari is ready to be served. Serve it warm with hot tea. Thank you for watching my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Please like, share and subscribe.